After you have assigned a long-term event message to one of your properties, you may decide that you no longer want the tenants staying in that property to receive the message. If so, you'll need to unassign the message from the property. To do this, go to the Welcome Home dashboard and enter the Long-Term Event Messages page. Select the message you would like to unapply from your properties and click the Apply Message to LT Properties button. Once you do, you'll see a list of properties that currently have the message assigned to it. To unassign the message to one of your properties, highlight the property and click the Remove button. Be sure you click the Assign Messages button before you close the screen. Once you do that, you've unapplied the message from your property. If you have any questions about this, or if there's anything else we can help you with, please email the help desk at help@vrmgr.com. Thank you.